Hey my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nidhi and I get every week makeup related videos. This is a special one. This is a Diwali makeup look, a colorful, beautiful makeup. Though this year we would not be visiting our friends and family, but still we have to make the festival look festive. So I've got the blast of colors happening on my eyes with nude lipsticks, and if you want to know how I created this look, keep on watching. So further ado, let's get started. We'll start it from the eyes, and from eyes, first thing is the eyebrow. You need an angular brush, a brow pomade to fill your eyebrows. Filling your eyebrows is a simple thing. You have to start from the end of your eyebrows, fill the sparse area, keep them to natural because eye look is gonna be too bold. Just fill in as natural as you can. When you're working on the front section, just draw two lines parallel as a boundary and then make hair-like strokes in the hair direction. That's it. After this, we'll use a concealer. I'm using Creaseless from Tarte Cosmetic to do two things. One is to clean up my brow bone, highlight it, and second thing is it will act as a primer for my eyeshadow, a beautiful base. After you are done with well blending, we'll move on to the next step. The next step will be picking up the right colors. First, I'm picking Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina. On a fluffy brush, I'll take a beautiful peach color and then I'll place it on my crease line. Well blend in so it starts looking like this. Then I'll use Huda Cosmetic Desert Dusk palette, and from this I've picked up pink color called Amethyst. This is a beautiful pink color for anybody of brown skin tone, and then I'm just well blending it into my crease line and the lid. This will be the base for every other eyeshadow I'll be using for creating this look. Now again I'll switch back to Anastasia Norvina palette, and I've picked up on my finger a blue gray shade called Soul. It's a beautiful gray eyeshadow with an undertone of blue and it looks magnificent. Now I'm taking a sparkly shade. This is a loose pigment from NYX and I've just settled it on the blue color, matte blue color, and again I'm just well blending the crease line, and using a purple shade I am just depositing on the outermost corner. This shade I've again picked up from the Huda palette. Now I'll use a kajal from Maybelline and draw a line just on the outer 1/3. Then I will use a smudger brush and smudge this black color just to intensify my waterline. And now I'm holding Stila Cosmetic bluish gray color eyeliner or a kajal. I'm working on my waterline just to intensify the things. I'm using a smudger brush to smudge my lower waterline, and the color I've used is a blue. I'm highlighting my innermost corner and brow bone using a color called Summer from ABH Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette, and the eyes will start looking like this. And now comes up time for face. I've picked up Smashbox Radiant Primer. I'll just use it on the T-zone and the forehead. This is a beautiful luminous kind of a primer and very soft on your skin if you have those days when your skin is irritated. This is one of the to-go kind of a primer for me. After this, I'll use my most trusted foundation from NARS and I'll use a buffing brush to buff it into my skin. Once I'm happy with the blending of my foundation, I'll move on to the next step. Always remember, you have to spend time on blending. Now the next step of course is using a concealer. I've used it from NARS. 2 dots in the innermost corner and 1 stroke of concealer vertically upwards so that it gives a lifted eye look. I've used a brush to well blend in. After this, I'll use my MAC compressed powder to set my under eyes and my whole face. Again, I'm using the same buffing brush. So by now you know you don't need a lot of tools to do makeup. You just need the zeal to do it, right? So keep up the zeal for Diwali and the festive mood. Be in the right makeup. Try this one. Okay, now we'll move on to the next step. This is Hoola bronzer, one of my most loved one. I'm just placing it on the hollow of the cheeks today, and after this I'm just blending it. Now I'll use the concealer, the same concealer, to clean up and get a more chisel look because Diwali is all about sweet, savory dessert and double chin. Of course you have to look chisel. And after this we'll use a blush. This is from Marc Jacob. If you are looking for a luxury kind of a blush which gives you an airbrush kind of an effect, this could be your deal. I'm just placing it on my apple of the cheeks and blending it a little towards my hair so that my face look lifted, not plump. Now this is Fenty Beauty highlighter. The name is called Trophy Wife. Who is not a trophy wife for her husband? I'm using it on the high points of my face, a little bit on the bridge of the nose towards my forehead, cupid bow and my chin. Now comes the time for lipstick. I'm using the combination of NARS lipstick. This is a matte liquid lipstick. I'm not a very fan of a matte lipstick as is, so I always combine my matte lipstick with a lip gloss. The lip gloss I'm using is from YSL. This is such a buttery formula. It has an intense gloss to it, and it also helps those people who have little bit of texture, chappiness, flakiness on their lips. They can easily wear any matte lipstick. And now comes the time to set your face. I'm using a face mist from Mario. I'm setting my face so that my makeup stays on place and I look no less than a bomb on Diwali. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, kindly give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming up with few more looks for Diwali. So keep tuned, and until we meet next, as I always say, keep on practicing makeup. Take care and happy Diwali!